In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Google Docs. Whether you're drafting a professional document, a school assignment, or just making your notes look neat, knowing how to center your text can make it more visually appealing and effectively organized. So let's get started on this quick and easy process. First, the journey to centering your text begins by selecting the text you want to adjust. If you only need to center a specific portion, simply click and drag your mouse over that section to highlight it. However, if you want to center all the text in your document, there's a faster way. On a Windows computer, you can press Ctrl and the A key at the same time. For Mac users, you'll press Command and A. This shortcut will instantly select everything in your document, saving you time if you have extensive content. Once you've selected your desired text, the next step is to locate the Center Align icon in the toolbar. This icon depicts several short horizontal lines centered relative to each other, making it easy to identify. Just click on this icon, and voila! Your selected text will immediately shift to the center of the page. This visual transformation can greatly enhance the overall look of your document, bringing balance and symmetry. Now, for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a handy alternative to achieve the same effect. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl, Shift, and the E key at the same time. For our Mac users, press Command, Shift, and E. This shortcut is not only quick, but also incredibly convenient if you're someone who likes to keep their hands on the keyboard as much as possible. It's an efficient way to make your text adjustments without having to navigate away from your typing. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can master the art of centering text in Google Docs. This skill might seem small, but it plays a significant role in creating well-organized and professional-looking documents. Remember, practicing these steps will ensure that centering text becomes second nature to you. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher or share it with friends who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy writing and have a great day.